What is going on, Turbo family? Welcome back to another Turbo video here on this channel. I know I haven't talked about Turbo in a while, but truthfully, guys, that's because a lot of my positions right now, a lot of the things that I'm loading up on is utility-based plays. Now, meme coins, in my opinion, are never going to die out, but there's always a time and place to be depositing capital into the markets in order to buy meme coins. If you're sitting on a lot of Turbo, such as myself, do not worry, because in my opinion, when the bull market does finally pick up and recover, projects like Turbo are going to do well once again. It hit almost $1 billion in market cap in the last cycle, has a really organic community, and has a AI-driven narrative as well. And with AI completely taking over and starting to get more mainstream and gaining a lot more attention, I think that this positions Turbo in a really good spot, especially in the next coming years. With that being said, let's get straight into today's video. We're going to start off by taking a look at the overall market right now. Bitcoin at 63K, Ethereum struggling to break over 1700. And let's be honest, right? Markets look cooked, right? For lack of better words, we're at extreme fear levels. We're at 16 right now. Bitcoin hasn't been able to break over 65K in a while. And if you guys have been following me over on X right now, right? If you guys have been following the Twitter account, then you would know that I've been calling for this for a really long time. I'll show you guys over here. Been saying this. Where's my post? 2 a.m. thoughts. This was on February 11th, so which is very close to a bottom a lot of people would have expected, right? Peak to bottom timing. From the 2017 peak to the bottom took 363 days. From the 2021 peak to the bottom, it took 376 days. October 2025 was in fact the peak of the previous bull run. And so, if we kind of use the same type of math, now obviously history doesn't repeat itself, it often does rhyme. We're looking at about 365 days, which brings us to Q4 of 2026, which is around October time. I expect it to go much lower in the coming months. And guys, Bitcoin did make a new low just recently, right? So we got to factor that in. Ethereum made a new low. A lot of projects made new lows, but the fact that Turbo is holding on still, right? It is down quite a ways from its previous all-time highs, but guys, you need to acknowledge the fact that it is still holding on decently well. $60 million market cap isn't something you see all the time, especially for meme coins in the last 24 hours. Turbo showing signs of strength, up 6.37%. Now, again, to play the devil's advocate, from $1 billion, it is down about 93%. But guys, there isn't going to be volume or liquidity, more or less, for a lot of these older meme coins. Meme coins are all hype, flashy, grass is greener on the other side. So you're going to see meme coins kind of come out every single day, every single hour, and those are going to run. For example, right? Let's take a look at something stupid, probably like this thing. Now, I'm not telling you guys to go out there and buy it, but this probably came out a while ago, started pumping recently. Or let's take a look at even the World Cup coin. You have things like here, Asteroid, right? Don't know how long it's been since it come out, but has a pretty good pump in the last 24 hours. These are all new plays, new hyped up plays. You have a World Cup coin over here that you can see literally just came out June 10th. And then boom, ran up extremely hard. You're going to see this happen all throughout this year, because this year, guys, just because we're in a bear market doesn't mean that memes will not make you money. We've been accumulating some. We've been buying into mainly altcoins. If you guys want to know exactly the crypto projects that I buy, exactly the crypto projects that I sell, when I get into these markets, when I get out, you need to be a part of the inner circle. This is my private Discord group where you get access to my buy and sell calls, exclusive content that you cannot find anywhere else, as well, guys, as weekly live streams that I do every single Wednesday inside of the private Discord community. Join those live stream calls. In my opinion, are the most valuable. You guys have access to me to ask any question, whether it's about crypto, finance, just investing in general. So link down below to join, and at checkout, if you use the code 25OFF, you get 25% off for life. We recently called a play. I'll show you guys it right now. That is up almost a 200%. It's still continuing to pump, guys. We caught this thing at around $300,000 market cap, actually up almost a 4x on this. So running extremely well. Now let's take a look at Turbo. One thing to acknowledge, it does have 110,000 followers. They do have spaces. And again, guys, it is completely community driven, right? So the founder, Rep Mankind, isn't as involved as he is in this project as when he started. This is a completely community-driven incentive, and it has a really bullish community. It was one of the best performing meme coins in the last cycle, and I do believe that hype is going to come back to this meme coin, but only when the bull market comes in. A lot of these community-driven meme coins, a lot of these meme coins, guys, that are more or less kind of blue chips because Turbo's been around for 3 years now. They only do well in bull markets. A lot of these newer meme coins that come out, they'll do well for maybe a week, a month, or 2 months, but then they're ultimately going to crash. The ones that have been around for a while, kind of like the grandfathers of meme coins, those are only going to do well in bull markets. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If you want to load up, you could do that. I do expect an Upbit listing to come sooner rather than later. Upbit holds 8.1% of Turbo supply and hasn't listed it yet. It's the biggest holder and acquired Turbo about 7 to 8 months ago. They're down 70 to 70% of their Turbo position, yet they still hold it, hence a precursor to an Upbit listing. The Upbit hack in November could have caused delays, and they also are mid-merger. I expect a turbo listing in the upcoming months. South Korean exchange listings usually come with a massive move towards the upside. Again, you can see this over here when you check out the allocation. 8.1% of Turbo is held by Upbit, okay? Not a small amount. Turbo still being the first AI generated meme coin should tell you guys that it's not going away. Yes, meme coins aren't too hot right now, but AI is and will only continue to grow and gain traction. When the market eventually recovers and rebounds, what better AI meme coin than Turbo itself? If you guys have any other thoughts, let me know down below. I'm not telling you guys, okay, if you stay until the end, I'm not telling you guys to go and load up on Turbo right now. That's not what I'm saying. In fact, that's the opposite of what I'm saying. I am saying, though, that when the bull market comes in, we should track this very closely because, in my opinion, because of the foundation is laid out and built, it could do pretty well. At the end of the day, guys, meme coins are obviously very high risk and very high reward. So please do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, guys, and peace out.